Hey, this is Sean Fitzgerald. I'm at McAuliffe's Ace Hardware in Marysville, Ohio, and today I want to show you how to find a spare chain for your chainsaw. Right here we've got a steel MS-271. That's the Farm Boss model. If we want to find an additional chain for this, we got to look at the bar. What you want to look for here is right on the bar. It's going to show you three things: number of drive links, that's 74; the pitch, that's 0.325, and then the gauge, 0.063. So mark those three things down, then we can go look at the chains and find the right one. Okay, so we're here in front of the chains. We just found the pitch, the gauge, and the number of drive links. So the first thing I look for is the number of drive links, because that narrows it down really quick. We know that saw had 74 links, so we're going to need to find a chain that has 74 links. As you scan through here you come to one, 74 drive links. We'll look at our pitch, that's 0.325, that matches up, and then also our gauge, 0.063, that matches up. So we've got our chain. Okay, now we're ready to put the chain back on. I've taken the bar off and obviously the cover to the bar. First thing I do is take the tensioning screw right here. I'll back this off to take all the tension off the bar. So that's drawn all the way back toward the saw. There's multiple ways to do this. What I've always found the easiest is put the bar on first. So the bar's resting on there. Then I'll take the chain. Make sure your teeth are going forward. The chain's going to spin this way, so make sure your teeth are facing forward. Let me get it lined up here. Might have to make some cuts in this. What I do is take the chain, line it up on the sprocket, the drive sprocket first, and kind of roll it down over the bar. Make sure you're lined up there. Bar's going to set back on there. Now I take the cover, take the side cover, pop it back on there, and just put it on hand tight. So I take the bar cover, I just hand tighten the nuts. Obviously the chain's pretty loose. Hand tighten the nuts. Then I'm going to stand behind the saw, hold the nose of the bar up in the air. See how it's got some play? Hold that up in the air. Now we can go ahead and tighten the chain. The chain's snugging up. Once you get it pretty close, I usually take the chain and just spin it. Make sure it's free spinning. See how sometimes it loosens up a little bit? That's just settling into the right spot on the sprocket. So go ahead and snug it up some more. A good rule of thumb for how tight you want this: if you pull the chain up, you should just be able to see the bottom of the link, the drive link, and it should snap back in there. So if you see slack hanging down like this, it's too loose. You got to get a little tighter. So once you've got it tightened up, last thing you do is just snug the bar nuts up. Those are good and tight. You're ready to go cut a tree down.